A familiar scene, Melbourne streets left bare, day one of Victoria's 7-day circuit breaker lockdown. 4 new local cases identified, all linked. A record day of testing with over 40,000 processed and more than 17,000 vaccinations administered. 1 million Victorians now vaccinated.
Those testing numbers are outstanding and I want to thank all Victorians.
The exposure site list soaring past 100. 5 locations now cause of concern, including the Sporting Globe Bar in Mordialloc.
If you've been to those locations, you've been out partying with somebody who was COVID positive at the same time with you in that space. So it's really important that we identify who you are and get you tested.
15,000 Victorians are now in isolation after potential exposure to the virus. The state government requesting 160 ADF personnel to assist with door knocking to help track COVID cases. But with many patrons not utilising QR codes at venues, contact tracers now struggling to track down those infected.
We're seeing good progress on getting negative results coming forward, but I am concerned that we've got people who haven't registered in, and that's what we need to focus on now.
With Victoria lagging to implement the system across the state.
You've got to shake your head and ask, why has it taken this government so many months to have one uniform system when clearly that is so important for accurate contact tracing? Other states have had uniform systems for months and Victoria's only doing it today.
Businesses still recovering from last year's lockdown, some hanging by a thread. But with no JobKeeper or JobSeeker this time round, they're desperately seeking support to survive. This 7-day circuit breaker lockdown is estimated to cost the economy around $1 billion, leaving many businesses in limbo. But the government assures support is on the way.
I just want to give confidence to businesses that we understand the impact that this circuit breaker lockdown will have on them. There's discussions between federal and state governments, between our treasurers. We're working on a state package for businesses. I'll announce that in coming days.
Melissa Christidis, Sky News, Melbourne.